The Netgear router can experience flashing lights with no internet connection due to several reasons. These causes include configuration issues, outdated firmware, hardware problems, or issues with the internet service provider. To resolve configuration issues, restarting the router is often the solution. This can be done by turning off the router, unplugging it from the power source, waiting a few minutes, and then plugging it back in, allowing the device to clear any technical issues. Outdated firmware can also cause configuration problems, and updating the software by visiting the Netgear website and searching for the specific router model can resolve this issue. Hardware issues, such as a faulty antenna, can also cause malfunctions. Checking that the wide area network WAN cable is securely connected to the router's WAN port and inspecting the antenna for any visible damage can help identify and fix the problem. If none of these solutions work, the issue may lie with the internet service provider, and contacting them to check for any power outages or issues on their side that may be affecting the internet connection can provide a resolution.